We made good use of the SunTaste solar oven this summer, drawing inspiration from videos made by others cooking with the sun. For example, putting a simple yet highly nutritious dish together, like our favorite quinoa veggies mix and brownies as dessert. Preparation time is 30 minutes, and cooking time about 75 minutes. A friend of ours used it to make candied mandarin peels to go with coffee as snack. Yum. Preparation takes around 20 minutes, and cooking about 3 hours. Simply place the solar oven in a sunny spot, and come back later. Similarly, fruits and other peels can be dried in the solar oven to make nutritional snacks. Making marinated chicken thighs is easy and straightforward. Place the chicken thighs in the pot, add your favorite spices and sauces, let it soak a bit, and then cook it for about 1.5 hours. Another favorite of ours are cheesy baked portobello mushrooms. Simply clean the mushrooms, sprinkle thyme and herb salt, drizzle olive oil, and let them bake for about 45 minutes. Then sprinkle some grated cheddar cheese, and bake further 15 to 20 minutes until melted. All in all, it takes only 1 to 1.5 hours. Rice and veggies dishes are our staple, and are quick to put together, and are cooked within 75 minutes. Any type of meats and sausages can be made in a straightforward and flavorful manner without the worry of burning it. All depends on the types and thickness of the meats. Sausages, for example, took around 1.5 hours to be ready. Cooking times means it is just set and forget, and could be shortened if one wants to fine-tune their cooking or baking. You only need to rearrange the oven once or twice an hour to keep it fully facing the sun.